Today I will go over how to mount an induction kit for the Fiesta ST MK8. The kit I have that I will install today is an AIRTEC one, used but in good condition, so I will show you how to mount it. Let's get it. The first we do is to take the connector off. Just press and take it off. Then it's a clip under on the cover of the air filter, so we just take that off. That one can sit very hard, so you can use a screwdriver. If you are careful, you can take it off with a screwdriver, or if it's loose, you can just take it off. Then you just use a 7mm socket to loosen the clamp. After you loosen that up, you can take it off. Then you can take the cover off. Then we can see the sensor. It is a clip right here. You just lift it and turn it. Then you just take it out carefully. Then you put it on a good spot. Then you have to loosen the clips to the air, to the filter box, to the hose, to it. It's one above and one under. You just press it. Then when you have loosened the clips to the hose, you just bend it out a little bit, and then you lift up the air filter box. Make sure that the hose is free. Then you just turn the air filter box and lift it. When that's gone, you can start to mount the heat shield for the new air filter. So we have to take this off also. This is a Torx 30. Then we mount this. We have to take the hose to the inlet out so we can mount the heat shield properly with some bolts. Then we take the bolts and just mount them in the mounting points for the air filter box, but using screws instead now. It's a 13mm and it's an Insex 6. Then we mount the screw. So now the heat shield is there. Now we're installing the air filter. Now we just screw it, the 7mm. Now we just install the sensor. It's an Insex with 3. And then you just put the sensor in, carefully put it in. It's a slot, it's fitting in, so just mount it there. And then mount the connector. So, it's done. So, let's hear the result. So, what are my final thoughts around it? We'll check it out. This is how the kit looks mounted. I know this is an early kit, and if I'm not mistaken, this has been upgraded. Here you can see it's open, so the hot air will be sucked in. So it's not 100% a good fit, but what I can see, the newer kits is a better fit. So if you go for a new kit, then it will be fine, I think. Because in the new kit, there are no elbow here. This is just a straight, so the filter seems to fit better than this. As I said, I bought an used kit, so my filter will be cleaned, but other than that, I think it will be fine. If you want to see how to mount an MK8.5 front splitter on a Ford Fiesta ST MK8, then look at this video up